In a bid to foster awareness and understanding among students about the functioning of the Food Corporation of India and its vital role in the food distribution system, FCI Nongstein organized an informative program on Friday. Students from St. Peter's High Secondary School, Pendengray, actively participated in the program, engaging in various informative sessions and demonstrations. Depot in charge D.H. Kharkulia elaborated on the objective of the drive.
Fix program for heritage nama ni habang hot national organized awareness program. Makumlo betul mata functionของ FCI គុំលោវាมีชิมเอกนิคลีมันเข้าเอกลีบางเด็กบาเป็นเด็กโดดดิ้ง
And now for the weather.